Okay.
Wave at mommy. Okay, go.
Ready, go.
Woo! Push again. Yay!
Woo! Watch where you're going.
Put your feet up.
Good job, Nevaeh.
Okay,
You gotta turn it.
Okay, push. Push a little.
Woohoo!
Okay, turn towards Daddy.
Good, Daddy.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay, go. You like that? Okay, push up towards mommy. Go. Go. Whoa. Push. Push.
Whoa! Whoa! You okay?
You did a split.
See, good thing you got pants on, huh?
See, honey, what you can do is you can put this foot down here. You can put this foot closer. There, now push, see? Now your foot doesn't hit the wheel. Hey, make the turn. Good job. Push.
Watch where you're going. Good girl.
The wheel keeps getting in our way.
We see you. Keep going.
Good girl. Made it. Turn around. Here, your helmet's on good. Ready? Put your feet on. Daddy's going to give you a push. Put both feet on. Daddy's going to push you up. Okay, look at mommy. Wait, keep both feet on, honey. Keep both feet on. Daddy's going to push you. See? Look up at mommy. Watch where you're going. You got to watch where you're steering.
She can't see from under her helmet. Whoa!
Stop.
Stop. Good turning, hon. Good job.
Oh!
Oh, what was that?
Hit a rock.